Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a closet clean with me. This closet is completely trashed. As you can see, Colton has already started ripping things apart. I don't know how well this is going to go because I am trying to do it with Colton here and I'm by myself today. So I'm sure he'll be making a mess as I clean. But I have lots of laundry to put away. That's what all of this is. This kind of stuff has kind of gotten a little out of hand and this needs to be cleaned up a little bit. There's like garbage that I've gone through and whatnot. So hopefully I can get this tidied up as much as I can with this one running around. What are you doing? You already are messing things up again. So yeah, we'll just get right into it. There's me. I probably will just have music play for you guys. I might pop in with like a voiceover throughout the video. I'm not sure, but we'll just see how it goes. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's done for now. If you noticed, Colton wasn't in the rest of the video. He was in it for a bit, and then his aunt came and picked him up. So anyways, I've just kind of tidied up everything and stacked things, put things away in the drawers. If you notice, the drawers aren't even perfect. It's just put away for now. This kind of needs to be organized, and this whole corner still needs to be organized, but like I told you guys in, I think, my last closet cleaning video, we are actually just going to rip apart this whole room. Unfortunately, I just don't have time to keep it like nice, and honestly I don't even have that much clothes anymore after that huge purge that I did. I even just threw out or donated a few extra items just today, putting things away. So it's just fine for now until we have a chance to rip it all out. So essentially our plan is, unfortunately, ripping out this whole closet thing that my dad made for me, and then my desk will go in the corner here and whatnot, and then we'll probably just do like shelving on this whole wall. Oh, there it goes, wasn't focusing. I'll probably just do like shelving on this whole wall so I can put like shoes and bags, and then we can also put like books and whatever. Just, it's gonna be more just like an office with just my clothes in it. But yeah, that's good for now. It's organized somewhat. At least it's just clean. There's no more clothes on the floor. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.